Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's quick video, we will explore how to leverage AI Copilot in Power Apps to revolutionize the way that we build and edit apps. AI Copilot in Power Apps is a powerful feature that designed to make app development more accessible and efficient for everyone, from citizen developers to app makers and end users. Without further ado, let's get started. First, let's see how we can get access to Copilot in Power Apps. If your organization enabled Copilot for your Power Apps environment, you will see the text box in the screen says, "Let's build an app." You can see it here. If you don't have access to Copilot for your Power Apps environment at your work settings, what you can do, you can create free Microsoft 365 developer account, then join Power Apps developer plan. Once you set up your free developer plan, all you need is go to settings, click admin center. On the left navigation bar, you will see environments. Click, choose your environment, in this case sandbox for me, and go to settings. On the product list, click features, and you will need to toggle on Copilot and AI Builder. Additionally, if you want your users use Copilot to get data insights from your app, you will need to toggle this on. And once you have this toggled on, all you need is scroll down and click save, and you're good to go. Once Copilot enabled for our environment, we can go ahead and start building applications, simply describing them in natural language, and Copilot will build them for us. For example, I want a project management app to track my projects. I put my prompt here and then click submit. Based on the prompt I gave, Copilot generates table schema on Dataverse for us. We can review it and we can simply see whether it's the right data type or not. For example, each project has start and end date. If we go to column settings for start date, view column, and you will see that it's the right data type, which is date. Similarly, if we can go to stats column, we will see that for each project, we have following status values: in progress, completed, and on hold. Copilot is smart enough to choose the right data type for the specific columns. For example, I can ask for each project to add a budget. Click submit. Here we go. Copilot just added a new column for our projects. And if you view column, you will see that this time data type is currency. Once you finish your review, simply click create, and Copilot is right now creating an app on top of this particular table. Here we go. Copilot just created an app for us. If we preview the app, you can see the capabilities. On the left side, we have gallery showing each project. On the right side, we have a form control that shows specific or selected gallery item. For example, if I come here, I can see that, okay, this is assigned to Mary. It shows budget, it shows project name, project ID, and so on. If I want to edit any of these, I can simply come here, say, here is the project budget, and click submit. You can see that budget updated. You can additionally select and delete any record that you want. You can add a new record if you want. And we have also search capabilities here. For example, if I type project 2, here we go. It just filtered project 2 based on our input on the search box. The second way that we can use Copilot is keep editing our app or further customizing when our app in the edit mode. So click Copilot again and you will see another Copilot capability here called what you want to do, or you can describe what you want to do with this app and AI will do it for you. In this case, I'm going to ask add a new screen and call it Copilot. Click submit. Here we go. We have a new screen and Copilot named it Copilot. So I will ask to add a button control. When the users click, it will navigate them to the main screen. Click submit. Here we go. In one go, Copilot added a button, name it to button back, updated its text property to back, and wrote a code for us. And let's see in the preview view. When the users click back, it will navigate them to main screen. In the Copilot screen, we can also add a Copilot control so that users can ask questions or prompts and Copilot will give them insights based on the table or data that we have. Here I will look for Copilot. If this is the first time you are using Copilot control, all you need is go to settings and upcoming features, look for Copilot and make sure this is toggled on. I will insert Copilot control, choose my data source, which is underlying data table called project management, resize it. From security point of view, Copilot control will provide data insights only from selected data source and selected data fields. Let's say we have 10 data columns. Copilot will only generate answers or provide insights only from selected columns. Let's preview the app. I'm going to ask what's the status for design UI and click submit. Here we go. The status for design UI is not started. You can ask questions and it will generate answers for you. Another way we can use Copilot is to create Dataverse tables. Go to the tables and you will see described a new table. For example, I want issue tracker table. Click submit. And here we go. You can see this the table schema that Copilot created. You can ask Copilot even delete the sample data, and when you create, it will create a table for you. Later you can connect it to your applications and so on. So that's it for today. Today we leveraged Copilot to design and create app for us. Inside the app, we used Copilot to further customize our app. Then we added Copilot Controls so that our users can also use natural language to get data insights. Additionally, we also used Copilot to create Dataverse tables. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for more Copilot and Power Apps tips. Until next time, happy app building!